Well, the state in India, of course, was supporting the cinema at one time. You had the National Film Development Corporation, which began as FFC, where the government was helping to fund some kinds of films that wouldn't otherwise be funded. Wouldn't find any kind of money to make.
Like your Suraj Ka Saatwaं Ghona also.
Yeah, but then I haven't taken so much money for that. But by and large, people did. When you had certain kinds of ideas and certain kinds of films that you wanted to make, which didn't have popular support, So you had to rely on finances that would be given by organizations like NFDC and so on. Well, you see, I felt that it was important not to get any kind of additional advantages because you are making a film that is not like the normal film. For me, in fact, that's the best way to get your creative impulses, allowing them to die, because it won't help you. It's better when you're in a big competitive world. You have to work and you have to compete. There's no question about it.